Hello students, today we are going to see subject English grammar. Our topic is interjection. Students, an interjection is a word that expresses some sudden feeling of the mind. Means when you are happy, when you are sad, when you got surprise, on that time suddenly some word is coming out from our mouth. Right? That word is a interjection. We put an exclamation mark after an interjection. We have to put this exclamation mark after the interjection. Let's see some example. Hurrah! Hurrah word expresses a happiness, emotion of joy. When we will happy, first word will come out hurrah. Hurrah! We won the game. You can see here after hurrah we have put exclamation mark. Okay? Hurrah is interjection. Means when we are happy, first word will come out hurrah. And after that word we put exclamation mark. So hurrah is interjection. Hurrah is interjection. This word expresses sudden feeling of the mind. Hurrah! I got first rank in class. Whenever you will get first rank in class, you will become happy, right? On that time, first word is hurrah will come out. Hurrah! I got first rank in class. So hurrah is interjection, and after hurrah we will put exclamation mark, right? So hurrah word expresses a happiness. Hurrah! Daddy has come. When your daddy will give you surprise, you will become happy, right? When your daddy will come after some days from out, you will become happy. So you can see in this picture, after many days his daddy came in home. So he became happy. Hurrah! Daddy has come. So hurrah is interjection, and hurrah word expresses a happiness. And after hurrah we have to put exclamation mark. Bravo! Now students, bravo word expresses appreciation. Bravo word expresses appreciation. Let's see some example. Bravo! That was a wonderful shot. Yes. Bravo! That is the right answer. Bravo! You have done well. Means someone has done nice, and if you want to give some appreciation, on that time bravo word we will use. Okay, bravo is interjection, and after bravo we will put exclamation mark. Means someone has done very nice. On that time we have to give some appreciation, and for that appreciation we will use word bravo. Bravo interjection we will use for the appreciation. Okay? Bravo! That was a wonderful shot. Bravo! That is the right answer. Bravo! You have done well. Alas! Students, alas word expresses sorrow. Let's see. Alas! She lost her grandmother. When you will sad, on that time we will use word alas. Alas, I failed my English exam. Alas, I missed my train. Means alas word expresses sorrow. Alas is interjection. And after alas we will put exclamation mark. So alas word expresses sorrow. Okay. Oh and ah. Let's see. Oh word expresses wonder when you will get surprise. On that time we will use word oh or ah. O word expresses wonder. Ah words also expresses wonder. Oh, what a lovely surprise. Oh, I forgot to bring my purse. Ah, there you are. Means O and ah word expresses wonder, and after O and ah exclamation mark will come. Okay. Wow. When you will speak wow, wow word expresses sudden surprise. Let's see some example. Wow, you look great in the dress. Wow, what a beautiful house. Wow, what a catch. Wow word expresses sudden surprise. Okay, wow is interjection, and after wow you have to put exclamation mark. Okay. Ugh. Ugh word expresses unacceptable or unpleasant situation. Means any situation if you don't like. On that time, ugh words will come out from our mouth. Ugh is interjection. Let's see. Ugh. I hate mice. Ugh. What an ugly dog. Ugh. You are all sweaty and horrible. Means ugh word expresses unacceptable or unpleasant situation that we don't like. And after ugh exclamation mark will come. Okay, ugh is interjection. And ugh interjection we will use when the situation is unacceptable. We don't like that situation. On that time we will use word ugh. Oh no. Oh no word expresses unexpected situation. Unexpected. Oh no, he has lost my book. Oh no, he lost his purse. Oh no, he missed his bus. Means oh no word expresses unacceptable situation. We have not thought about that situation, and if that situation happens, unexpected situation will happen, then oh no word will come out from our mouth. So oh no words is interjection, and after that we have to put exclamation mark. Okay. Look. Look word expresses careful. If you point out anything, on that time also we can use look. And look word also used to express careful. Look, the lion are jumping through the fire ring. Look, take care or you will fall. Look, peacock is dancing. Means if you are pointing out to something, or if you want to express careful for that things, on that time we will use word look, and after look we will put exclamation mark. Okay, look is interjection. Okay, now hum. Hum word expresses confusion. I'm not sure. That's really strange. I just can't decide between the two. When if you have a confusion, if you are not sure about anything, on that time words will come out from our mouth. Hum is interjection, and after hum we have to put exclamation mark. Okay, hum is interjection, and after hum we have to put exclamation mark. Hey. Hey word expresses feeling of wonder or surprise. Hey, where are you going? If you call out to someone, on the time also we can use word hey. Hey, look at that. Hey, did you get time to see movie? So hey words expresses feeling of wonder or surprise, and if you call out to someone, on that time also we can use word hey, and hey word is interjection, and after hey also we have to put exclamation mark. Okay, hello. Hello word used to greet someone. Hello, good morning, how are you? Hello, nice to see you again. Hello, it is nice to meet you. Means hello word used to greet someone. Hello is interjection, and after hello we have to put exclamation mark. Hush. Hush word expresses keep quiet and relaxation. Hush, the baby is sleeping. Hush, I have completed my work. Hush, I got key of car. Means hush is interjection, and hush word expresses keep quiet and relaxation. And after hush also we have to put exclamation mark. Okay, means students, interjection is a word that expresses some sudden feelings of the mind. Means any situation happens, which word will come out from your mouth first, that one is an interjection, sudden feelings of mind, and after that word we have to put exclamation mark. Okay,